Okay, so let's start with DXY here. So yeah, last week we could not do the analysis. We were little busy because our server was down, and yeah, so for fixing that it took a lot of time. Okay, so here what do we expect here? We were expecting market to push down in the last week. So but instead of that, market has come up and it has given a push up more. So next, what DXY can do? So in the recent times, I mean, the main thing is like right now, market should consolidate in one range. That's what I'll be expecting market to consolidate around this range. This is the area it should consolidate. So we are on 28th to 29th of October, we'll come to know about the DXY movement in exact impact. So what we'll be expecting? Let's go to 1 hour and I'll try to explain it here. So in 1 hour, if you see for maybe Monday, Tuesday momentum, you will be expecting market one more small push down, then one more push up, maybe one more push up. There's some consolidation and one more. So this is what we'll be expecting in the Monday to Tuesday momentum. Okay. So I hope this is clear for you. And if you see in 4 hours, that is the same thing that we'll be expecting market to push up. So Euro USD. Let's come to EURUSD. We were expecting market to tap after this call, but instead of that, market indeed tried to go up, but it has failed. Yeah. So for the upcoming week, what do we expect? So the only thing is, market is trying right now. Market is trying to push to one around this level in the before end of this area, end of this. I can say end of the year, market is trying to push around this level. This is the target that we have in mind. Market to push around this area, maybe before February, most probably. Euro need to push up around 1.2. And to see that is a long-term picture. But right now, if you ask me in the short term, we expect market to just consolidate once more. I can say small consolidation. First initial moment in the upside direction, you can see a small upside direction, maybe around first 2 candles, then one more third candle, then one more push up. So this is what we'll be expecting in the EURUSD right now. Okay, this is how the momentum will be there for the next. Okay. Yeah, this is just for 2 to 3 days momentum, and after 2 to 3 days momentum, market will be closing in bearish momentum. Regarding GBP/USD, we are expecting market push up. Indeed, all the pairs has started to fall. Okay. So for this momentum, what do we expect? So we do expect market to push down. This is what we'll be expecting. Because we have 2 levels right away. If the market is not pushing around this level, then it's the next level that it can push is around this area. So keep in mind, when it comes to this area around this, it will purchase 1.35. So these are 2 levels that market can push down potentially. Let's see. Okay. Okay, so New Zealand USD, we were expecting market to consolidate and push up. Instead of that, the market has fallen and has come and taken over the liquidity below this. Anyway, we were expecting a liquidity before, first initial stage before going up. That is what it has done. Let's see what can. So let me tell you this. The next level, okay, seeing this market has one more potential up, then potential down. So this is what we'll be expecting in our next few days. Maybe if this is helpful, then let's see how. And regarding this AURUSD, we are expecting market to consolidate and push up. But instead of that, after consolidation, market indeed broke. Okay. clear it. So we'll do a fresh analysis here. Okay. So if you want to do a scalping, you can go for it. Maybe you can go for buy sides about around this area, 1.65 area. Around this area, you can take your profits. You can take your profits over this area, and from this area, let's see how the reaction, and depending upon that, let's react. But right now, the reaction most probably I'll be expecting is a small consolidation, a small down momentum. Let us see. This is what the momentum that we'll be expecting. This is just 1 or 2 days or 3 days more that it can indeed be. Regarding USD, we are expecting market, but over this area, instead of giving me a reaction for the downside, it has given me a reaction on the upside. That was quite interesting for us, and that is the reason. I hope you know the reason why DXY is going in opposite direction. Okay. So let us, Okay. So let us see. So the area which will go for one more push up around this 152.2 level around this area. Then look for one small push up. Okay. This is what we'll be expecting. Let us see. So the USD, we were expecting market to push down. Instead of that, market has not pushed down, and it has gone up. Then it started to push down. It was the previous structure I can see here. Seeing this, so what I'll be expecting is market now to climb a little more up. I can say in this direction. Market to push up, then push down. This is what we'll be expecting. Initial stage at push up around this area, this level. Look for yourself. Gold that indeed has gone up in a very nearly 350 level, 370 level. So from that level, we had an agreement ceasefire saying that the Trump has basically talked and finished ceasefire things. That is the reaction that we saw after this fight. Okay, so that was a good move actually. I mean, that was a good one that it has ended the war, Gaza and Israel war has been ended here. Let's see how the market reacts. I hope in the upcoming days, I expect market to right now fall in a temporary way. Okay, let me delete all of this. And still many banks are buying gold. So right now they'll be aiming for shorter, in the discounted price. Okay. After that, we'll be expecting indeed market to push up. But right now, the gold will be going. Let us wait and see what gold does. If I just want to go to daily timestamp, we did not have any good confirmation. We see kind of an imbalance here. So let us wait and see. As we said, that market will be standing in this range. That is what we have said. Any bottom here, go for the buys. Any tops here, go for the sells. Right now, as you can see, it has come to the top, and this will just it will just be being on over there. Let us see how it behaves. Whether in one or another 2 days we come to be patient on this 2 days. So we'll be expecting. Let us see what we'll be expecting. Okay. Here, BTC, so we were expecting BTC USD to push up a little more up and fall, but instead of one more tap is possible, that is what we thought. But instead of that, market started to push down very hardly. We expect the same scenario to happen. We do not expect that. So one more small push up can be possible, then a push down is possible. This is what we'll be expecting. Around this area, you can look for the sells. This is the zone. Okay, from this area, you can look for the sells, or you can also look for the buys at this moment. Not really. I had forgot to say about this. The next week, mostly major news are New Zealand, CAD are coming, and GBP we have year on year. It has been increased. Let's see. Euros we have and USDs. So next week will be most volatile week. Let's see how it behaves. Okay. Yeah, regarding the I have used this regarding China and US has agreed to talk soon, right? That's the one thing that there is also one thing that the market will give. Okay, if you want little more details, that maybe on tomorrow we'll be starting a live session with a little more details on all the fundamentals for the better analysis. Okay, so if you want, you can just join on this one community. Just send the message, send the comment that I want to join in the comment. So we'll let you know. Okay. Okay, guys. With this, I'd like to conclude here. Have a nice trading week.